This is Japanese karaage or fried chicken I bought on UberEats here in Tokyo. It is big, it's crispy, it's crunchy, it's juicy, it's totally delicious, and it's gluten-free. That was really good. Wow, this karaage is amazing. The only issue though is it is incredibly oily. Every time I order this and eat it, I get acne all over my skin, so I really don't eat it that often. However, recently I got an air fryer, so we can fry with air. If we fry with air, there's no oil. If there's no oil, then no breakouts, no acne, and we can eat karaage all the time. So I'm thinking, let's try make karaage in the air fryer, and let's compare it to delicious UberEats karaage and see if oilless air fryer karaage can hold up to oily AF karaage. Alright, so let's make karaage. First, we're going to make the marinade. Start by smashing 1 clove of garlic into a bowl. Then we're going to want to grate in an equal amount of ginger. Next, add about a half a tablespoon of cooking sake and gluten-free soy sauce, which I forgot to record. And then to finish it, we're going to add about a teaspoon of sesame oil and then mix that all up. For the chicken itself, you're going to want to use chicken thigh with the skin on. If you don't like the skin though, you can take it off. And then we're just going to season that with some salt and pepper. And then add that chicken and the marinade to a bag and mix it up. You're going to want to let this sit for at least 30 minutes, but of course, longer is better. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, so now we're gonna dredge our chicken. I'm using cornstarch. Alternatively, you can use potato starch, rice flour, or even just plain flour. I like to just pour it on top and mix it all up with my hand just because it's faster, but probably not the Michelin star way to do things. And now we're ready to air fry. I preheated my air fryer to 195°C, and we're gonna cook it for 10 minutes.
Five minutes later.
Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I'm just gonna take it out and flip them all. And oh, you can still see that cornstarch on there. It's been another 5 minutes and we're done. Wow, those look pretty good except for the parts you can see the cornstarch. And yeah, the temperature is looking good. The skin part got pretty crispy, but the rest of it is kinda eh. I'm going to try again, but I'm going to spray oil on this time to see if we can get more of that full deep fried look, as well as to absorb some of that excess cornstarch. And I'm going to cook these exactly as I did before.
5 minutes later.
195°C for 10 minutes, flipping halfway through. Okay, it's been 10 minutes and oh man, that is looking a lot better. It looks more like it's actually been fried, but it's air fried. You can see here it's got a great texture on the outside. Looking forward to trying this. And here you can see a comparison shot. The ones on the bottom I sprayed oil on and the ones on the top I didn't. It's clear to me which one looks better, but let me know what you think. Okay, so I have all my karaage here. First, I'm gonna try the air fryer without oil karaage. I still see some of the cornstarch, unfortunately, but let's see if it's crispy, if it's good. Wow, actually, it's a lot juicier than I thought it was gonna be. You kind of can taste the cornstarch a little bit. So it's got a little bit of like a sandy taste. But otherwise, the flavor is really good. I think maybe it would taste even better without the cornstarch. Okay, so next we have the karaage that I sprayed a little bit of the oil on before air frying it. It actually is kind of crispy. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, let's give it a try. Okay, spraying a little bit of oil on does make it taste a lot better. It doesn't have like that muddy cornstarchy taste still, and it's actually a little bit crispy. Not as much as actually deep frying it, but still it's really pleasant. Chicken itself, it's really juicy, it's moist, it tastes delicious. Okay, finally we have the UberEats deep fried karaage. Okay, so now eating the UberEats one, after the air fryer one I sprayed the oil on, the taste isn't that different. I mean, of course the UberEats one is crispier, but the air fryer plus oil is still really good. Yeah. Okay, so I came to the decision. The UberEats one tastes the best. It's got the crispiness, it's got the juiciness, it's delicious. First one I air fried without the oil sprayed on, I will not make again. The chicken tastes good, but the cornstarch doesn't really crisp up that well and kind of has like a muddy taste. However, the air fryer one with the oil sprayed on is actually really freaking good. I definitely can see myself making this again. It's not as good as deep frying it, but I think it's good enough that not having all that oil makes it worth it. I will make this again. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below if you prefer air frying or deep frying your chicken. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. It motivates me to make more content. And if you want to see me make any other Japanese food gluten-free, please let me know and I'll do my best to fulfill your wish. Have a great day. Bye.